What's up? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a minute. I was just focusing on my mental health and yeah, I needed a little bit of a break. So we're back, we're ready to party. We are going to open my Ipsy glam bag for the month of February. So let's do it. So first off, I feel this card in here, if I can get it out. Oh, it's pretty big. Swoon So Hard. Oh, it's showing me what I got, I think. So it just shows this. There's lots to love this month. Aside from your 5 personalized picks, let us introduce you to your next beauty crush. Ipsy add-ons. Cool. So you can do add-ons every month, I guess. That's pretty cool. Let's check out the bag. I love it. Oh my god, I actually am in love with this, and it's actually a decent size too, so I can actually use it. Wow, it feels pretty sturdy and good. It's just got a bunch of lipstick on it. First thing I'm pulling out is this eyeshadow, and it's Meech and Mia, and it just looks like a light mocha brown shade, I guess. It's called Taupe, and yeah, it looks kind of cute. Definitely a color I will use. Next up is, oh, hello. I'm not even gonna attempt to pronounce that because I ain't good at my French right now. Your girl is not caught up in her French vocab. Oh my god, can I even get this open? I guess it's in 112. It's a lipstick. I like the packaging, it's super shiny. Wow, look at that. It's like a mirror. Hello. Oh my god, don't you just love that sound? Love it. Damn, definitely a color I will wear. I wear like any lipstick, really. Oh, I love this color. I definitely, my range of lipstick colors that I wear are definitely pretty big, just because I've discovered a lot of good lipstick, and I've kind of broadened my range, I guess, of colors. Okay, Pixi Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. Just got a little sample here. Pixi. That's cool. I always need more toner. Actually, I just ran out of my toner, so that's good. That's convenient. Oh, we got a MAC sample. If I can get this open without it like coming out. Oh, it's a powder with a little sponge applicator here, which I probably won't use, but it's convenient to have it. Definitely doesn't look like my color. It might be. Might be a little too yellow. But it's very soft. It's very soft. So I wonder if the back of that card actually had all my products listed on it. I think this is the last one, yeah. Multi-X Repair Cream. Instantly soothes and moisturizes skin after any irritation or damage. Lab for you. Cool. I always need more moisturizer for some reason. My skin is just not doing well this winter. So let's check this card. Yeah, it did tell me what I got. Good thing I didn't look at this. Yeah. As you can see, all my products are there. So that's the back of the Swoon So Hard card. But yeah, that's everything that I got in my Ipsy glam bag. I'm actually pretty impressed this month. I definitely will use like every product in here. If you just heard that, that was my cat going. I'm kind of annoyed with the amount of skincare that's in Ipsy, but you know, it's beauty and skincare and makeup, so can't really blame them for that. But these products, these 4 anyways, I will definitely use religiously because they're products that I use every day. And yeah, oh, the MAC is the Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in NC20. I can't remember what my powder is, but I think it's close to that anyways, so that's cool. I've never seen MAC in Ipsy glam bags. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Links will be down below as always. I hope you guys have an amazing day and stay strong. Love you guys. Mwah.